Neewer Life, and today we're doing this little girl's hair right here. We're gonna have some really pretty twists and some beads, y'all. It's gonna be super, super cute.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, you guys, first we gotta detangle this bush right here. So let's go ahead and get it started. So this super cute hairstyle is definitely a favorite among little girls. You have the loudness from the beads, the movement. It's super cute and colorful. And yes, like all little girls love this hairstyle. So I started off with water and I'm applying some leave-in conditioner because you never want to detangle dry hair. And right here are the products. I use shea butter, coconut oil, swab leave-in, black castor oil, and water. And I'll leave everything in the description box down below. So yes, I'm just making sure that I run my hands through her hair. Her hair was actually detangled previously, y'all, believe it or not, but she went to sleep one night and I didn't twist up her hair, and I already knew, like, when she woke up the next day, like, oh my god, I made a mistake. So I had to go in and detangle. It wasn't like super tangled, of course, because it was just one night, but yeah, I just went through and in large sections applied more water. Of course, the more water and moisture the better, and I just went in and I just detangled her hair. Of course, you start from the ends to the root, and then everything will be detangled and ready to go. You guys, I have plenty of hairstyles for little girls on my channel, as well as hair routines like washing her hair and detangling my daughter's hair on my channel. So if you guys are interested in any of those, I will put those videos in the link in the description box down below. Is all detangled, so I'm going in, I'm creating my first part. Literally the hardest part out of every hairstyle is to create a straight part. Like, I'm still not a master of it till this day, you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and I put coconut oil and I'm just distributing that throughout her hair and making sure that I apply a generous amount on her ends, because of course that's the oldest part of her hair. And then I went in with some shea butter, and that's to seal in that moisture from the water, the leave-in, and the coconut oil. So shea butter seals in moisture, so I use that on top of her hair. So prior to starting her hair, I let the rubber band sit in extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil, but basically is going to prevent the rubber bands from snagging on her hair and causing breakage. So if you guys are worried about breakage, that's a pro tip. Just let your rubber band sit in oil. So then I'm going to go ahead and do a 2-strand twist all the way down. My daughter is so funny. Like, I don't know if she was like mocking the girls on the TV, but I'm just like, girl, can you sit still for 1 second? And of course, I'm going to make sure her scalp is moisturized. I'm using that the Jamaican black castor oil. Earlier that day, I went to the store to purchase more beads for my daughter's hair at the hair store. So I picked up beads, barrettes, and all the things I needed to do her hair for this hairstyle. So I got barrettes just in case for a backup, rubber bands, and beads. I'm doing 4th of July color beads. So you have your white, red, blue, and I use clear as well. You guys will see the pattern. So yeah, white, clear, red, and blue. So I went ahead and I used that bead stringer or bead attacher. I don't know what it's called, but the thing to string on the beads, and you can just ask the person at the hair store and they'll know what you're talking about. And then at the bottom, I used the white one, and I'm just tying a rubber band on there to secure the beads from falling off. And then there you go. That's it. So I'm going to be doing that same thing throughout her entire head. The first layer is done, you guys. You have the beads, you have the colors. It's just super cute and it's super fun. You guys, I remember my mom doing me and my sister's hair like this when we were kids. She would either use beads or barrettes like the ones you guys seen in the clip previous to this one. And it was just so much fun. And even to this day, it's still a super cute, fun hairstyle among like little girls. So if you don't know how to do your daughter's hair, you can always do this style and it's definitely gonna be like a favorite for them. So I had the back 2 layers done, and then I went ahead and I parted her hair in the front. And we actually took a lunch break because she was hungry. So yeah, we came back and now I'm on to this section of the hair. The same thing I did before. I already detangled it, moisturized it, all that good stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and create a part and make some squares. So I have 3/4 of her head done. I was so happy, y'all. It was almost over with. It's super easy, but it does take a little bit of time. But this hairstyle will be able to last at least a week if you guys make sure that you wrap your kids' hair up. But it's all done, you guys. And when I say she loved it, she loved it. It's super cute, fun little hairstyle for little girls. And now, of course, the baby hairs. I'm just slicking her edges down. This is totally optional, of course. Some people like totally hate baby hairs and some people are super extra and love them. I'm a lover of edges and like laying your baby hairs down, adults, kids. I just think it adds an extra bit of pop to like any hairstyle. Voila, voila, bada bang, bada boom. So you guys, that is it. I am finally done with my daughter's hair and these pretty cute twists right in time for 4th of July. Turn around. Really cute, you guys. But that is it. Don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.